What's up, everybody? Today we're going to show you this butane portable torch. It's great for making crème brûlée, smoked drinks, whether you're barbecuing and you want to add that little extra hint to your fruit or your meat. And of course, it's great for taking camping and even aging wood. So if you want to know how to make best use of this, stay tuned for the whole video. All right, so you bought yourself a butane torch. It's really nice and fancy. Well, what do you use this for? Well, to light barbecues, to light fire pits, to even age wood. That's a very popular thing, but you have to put the butane in here. So how do you do it? At the very bottom, usually there's like this little thin nozzle. Then you need to get this. This is basically ultra butane fuel, and it comes with this thin nozzle. So all you do is you press this at the very bottom, and you're gonna hear it. And you hold it. It's almost like pumping a tire. And then there's a little gauge right here that shows you how far it is. And you can see that we're at max right now. And then press the button, safety. Now there's this little slider gauge here. I'll show you what it does. So safety on, press, and then see we reduce the flame. So again, you got a little tiny flame, or you make it bigger in real time. Pretty cool. So let me show you how to create this antique aged wood look with this torch. So just make sure it's a little bit on. There you go. Well, you can sand this down, but you can see it immediately adds that really cool effect of aged wood. Another great use of the butane torch is to make fancy drinks, especially when it comes to whiskey. So if you're looking for that nice smoky taste with your spirit or drink, this is something you definitely can use with over-the-glass smoker. Just make sure you don't drink it right away. Just let it sit in the drink for about 30-40 seconds before you take it in. So that's how easy it is to fill a butane torch. And this is actually a really nice and, well, fancy looking one. And it stands on its own. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.